Hello children, how are you? I hope that you are fine with your family in the safety of your home. So, I'm here for the online class, for your class, that is class 6. Subject is English 1 and the topic is genders. Okay. So first of all, let me explain you what are genders. What are genders? Genders are the names given to a male or a female. It can be male as well as female. Male means man or a boy, and female means woman or a girl. So genders, male or female. And the others are masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neutral gender. Now, what are masculine genders? Masculine genders, the simple answer is they are males. They are males, a man or a boy. Okay, so if you write it in answer, you have to write masculine genders are the names referring to males. Okay, masculine genders are the names referring to males. Second, what are feminine genders? Feminine genders, simplest answer, they are females or women or girl. So, feminine genders refers to the names of females or girls or women. Feminine genders means females. Feminine starts with an F. The female also starts with F. Number 4 is common gender. Common means which can be used for both or all. You can understand it belongs to both or all. So what are common genders? Common genders are the names given to males and females. The common gender can be either masculine or feminine. Common genders can be either males and females. Okay. The next is neuter gender. Neuter gender is such a gender which is neither male nor female or common. So neuter genders are the names referring to the names of non-living objects or plants. Yes, plants are also living things, but they cannot be categorized in different genders. Okay, now let me give you some examples. First, masculine. Masculine means man. I am a man. Masculine. My father is a masculine. He is uncle. Uncle is a masculine. He is nephew. Nephew is also a masculine. So, father, uncle, even brother, nephew, they are males, masculine. Next is female, feminine, female. The feminine genders means mothers. Like if I put it in a sentence, my mother is very happy with me. Here, mother is feminine. Okay. My aunt will come to India next month. Here, aunt. Aunt is the feminine. Okay. His niece is a very good artist. His niece is a very good artist. Niece is feminine. Same way, common. As I told you, they can be males and females. Like you take my example. I am a teacher. Okay? Miss Anjum is a teacher. Mr. Verma is a teacher. Ma'am Sudha is a teacher. So I said teacher, 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 teacher. I am a masculine teacher. Miss Anjum is a feminine. She is a teacher. Mr. Verma is masculine. He is a teacher. Ma'am Sudha is a feminine. She is also a teacher. Means teacher is applicable for both males as well as females. Same way, there are some more examples like doctors. When you are sick, you go to consult a doctor. I just hope you don't fall sick. May God bless you. So doctor can be a woman or a man. Next, singer. Singer. You must have seen the reality shows. There are so many good singers. Some are males, some are females. So in general, in common, we call them singer. Driver. Driver can be either male or a female. Writer. Writer also can either be a male or a female. The last one is neuter. Neuter means these are the names referring to non-living objects or plants. They cannot be categorized as masculine, feminine or common. They have no gender. No gender. Neuter gender. Like you take the example of this blackboard. Blackboard is a noun, but it is neither masculine nor feminine nor common. It is an object, so it is a neuter gender. You take the example of this watch. See, I have a wristwatch. It is a wristwatch. It is neither masculine nor feminine nor common. It is a non-living thing. It is an object, so it is neuter. Excuse me. Next, you can take the example of your school bus. School bus. It is driven by an engine. It moves from one place to another. It carries passengers. But it is not a living thing. It is an object. So it is a neuter gender. And another one, I was telling you about plants. Yes, plants are living things. They have their life of their own. But they cannot move from one place to another. They cannot talk. Yes, they have life. But they cannot move from one place to another, and they have life. But they cannot be called either masculine or feminine. They are plants. Like the tree is tall. I said about tree. The T is tall. It was planted by Mr. K.V. Pradhan. I have referred to the tree as it. It is used for referring to neuter gender. It is a blackboard. It is a blackboard. It is the neuter gender. Okay. The birds are flying. The birds are flying. They fly every day. They is referring to the neuter gender. So these are the explanations. Let me explain it once again. What are genders? Genders are the names referring to a male or female. What are masculine genders? Masculine genders are names referring to the males, man. What are feminine genders? Feminine genders are the names referring to females, women. What are common genders? Common genders are the names referring to males and females, both. What are neutral genders? Neutral genders are the names referring to non-living objects or plants. Okay, so this is the explanation, children. Now I am going to give you some homework. Exercises are there, but before that I will tell you the answer. As you don't have the books right now, so I know you all are facing very much uneasy to complete your work. So I am going to read out the sentence as well as the answers for you. See, it is from your textbook, page number 27. Here we are going to do about the common genders. Okay, sometimes nouns in a sentence may stand for either male or female. For example, look at the sentences given below. Which pronoun, he or she, do you think will fit in the blanks? My friend is visiting from the US and I am going to meet dash. Friend is a common gender, so it can be either he or she. Number 2, tell the guest that dash should not smoke in the rooms. Guest is a common gender. Okay, it is plural common gender. So we have to write they, THEY, they. Number 3, it's my cousin's birthday. What shall I gift dash? Cousin is masculine, so the answer is him. Number 4, the principal is not in office today as dash is unwell. So principal is a common gender. You can write either he or she. But since our respected principal is a female, so the answer will be C. Number 5, the singer was so nervous that dash could not perform well. Now again, singer is a common gender. It can be masculine or feminine. So you may write either he or she. The next one is the exercise, let me tell you. But before that, I'll write out some answers. Very important answers are there. Singular, collective nouns. The gender of groups of people referred to collectively is not specified. Collectively means in a group. It does not matter if they are all males or females. Such singular collective nouns are said to have the neuter gender and are referred to by the pronoun it. Next, the army, it is a collective noun, army. The army pushed forward till it was well inside the enemy lines. It. The crowd was so angry that it broke through the police barricade. Crowd is the collective noun and we refer to it as it. It, crowd, it. Every family has its share of joys and sadness. Family is a group, so the gender is its. Family is a collective noun, okay? Now his party was victorious because of its honest members. The party is a common collective noun, so it is referred as its, belonging to it.
The team won because of its positive attitude towards the game. Team is a collective noun, a group noun, so it is referred as its, neuter gender. Now, how to change the genders? Okay, we can change the genders by adding ess. Like some examples, I'll give you some examples. Just see. Changing the genders. Okay, these are some examples. So I can change the gender by adding suffix. Like baron, it is baroness. Now what is baron? Baron is a title or a rank given to a very powerful person in England. This was in use in earlier times, but now it is no more in use. Priest, who does puja at a home or a temple, is called a priest. So what is the opposite of priest? Priestess. Next is lion, lioness. So what I have taught you here, baron is a masculine gender, and this masculine gender can be changed into a feminine gender by adding ess. Like B-A-R-O and baron, B-A-R-O-N-E-S is baroness. Next, P-R-I-E-S-T, priest, masculine, P-R-I-E-S-T-E-S is priestess, feminine. L-I-O and lion, masculine, L-I-O-N-E-S is lioness, feminine. Like this, some other groups are also there. Excuse me. Now you'll see page number 20. Okay, before that, let us change the genders of some more words. Okay, like God, goddess, adding s's. God, goddess. Emperor, masculine. Empress, feminine. Father, masculine. Mother, feminine. Boy, masculine. Girl, feminine. Brother, masculine. Sister, feminine. Waiter, masculine. Waitress, feminine. Now, some more words are there, okay? Which you cannot add suffix. You have to change the whole word. Like grandfather, grandmother. Landlord, landlady. Wasser man, wasser women. Son-in-law, daughter-in-law. Okay. Now in page number 29, there is a table here. There is a table. First column, names of the animals are mentioned. Second column, male. Third column, female. Okay. Now, this deer, bull, bee, donkey, elephant, goat, horse, rabbit, rhinoceros, sheep is common now. You have to find the males and females of those. Like, first one is stag. I'm reading out first the males and the females. Stag, doe. Stag, doe. Bow, sow. S-O-W, sow. Drone, then like that, all are there. You'll do it and write it in the book, you'll learn. Okay? And the next group, on the basis of gender of the nouns, pick the odd one in each other. In these numbers, some nouns are not matching. Like see, monk, daughter, dog, hare. Now you see, monk is common, dog is common, hare is also common. But daughter is feminine. So feminine is not matching, daughter is not matching, you have to insert. Next one, number 2, husband, bull, aunt, horse. I see, husband male, bull male, horse is also male, aunt is female. Horse can be other division also. Next we see number 3, bee, goose, male, elephant, which is not matching, you have to circle it. Then we will come to the next page. Next page is the next lesson, that is articles. We will do in the next class. So children, these 2 exercises, not 2 actually, I will give you 3 exercises. In page number 27, common gender, these 5 exercises are there, 5 question answers are there. Okay, then page number, this is 29, you have to complete this table and choose the odd one out for this. So children, I hope you have understood this. If you have a doubt, definitely I am here to help you out. Okay, but you know one thing children, I miss you all very much. I don't know whether you miss me or not. I just pray to God, let this lockdown be over very soon so that we can meet each other. So till the next class, bye.